Do I need to open up multiple cards in order to travel hack successfully? The answer is very simple. Absolutely not, probably maybe. Let me explain. But first, this is Nurse Michael Travels. My name's Michael. I'm a registered nurse with a passion for saving you money on travel. Let's get into it. The answer to this question depends on these three factors. How much of the vacation do you want paid off? How many people are you paying for? And how often do you actually want to travel? Keep in mind, you don't have to pay your whole vacation off with points. You don't have to take an extravagant vacation every year. You don't even have to pay for everyone. Just kidding. You probably have to pay for your kids. Unless they're 18, get them their own card, but you get the gist. I digress. And truly, the main attractive quality of even getting multiple cards is the sign-up bonus. That is the lump sum of points that you earn after spending X amount of dollars over Y amount of time. These lump sums of points make it very easy to pay off a full vacation with just a couple of cards. However, it is very possible to earn that number of points slowly over time using your everyday spend. So the answer to the question is yes, you can get by with one card, learn how to maximize every dollar you spend to earn the greatest amount of points, and it'll simply just take time to accrue the points that you need. However, it'll all be worth it whenever you're lounging at an all-inclusive resort paid for with points, or whenever you find yourself in a super swanky hotel and it really makes you feel like I shouldn't be here right now, but in a good way. And you know what? This is a great way to start. You can always change your mind and slowly turn into the person that you're looking into in the camera right now, and apply to multiple cards per year to earn those sign-up bonuses. With that being said, if you've got other award travel questions, no matter how beginner they may sound, let me know in the comments or DM me on Instagram. That link is in the description, and let me know. I'd be happy to either tell you within the DM or I can make a video about it to share with the world. But don't be afraid to reach out. I'd love to answer them. For those that are in the minimalist camp or just getting started, unless you have a very specific destination in mind, I almost always recommend starting off with chase cards, and I'll link up to the video right here telling you why.